guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Hilary Hoda company makeup kit. So today I'm going to unboxing this with you. So let's get open. तो ये मैंने ऐसे अनबॉक्स किया और अब मैं यहाँ से इसको wow, it is very nice looking. I will unbox like this. तो अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So you can look, this half of the side is normal and half of the side is glitter one. Look, these are glitter one. And we have got grey, black, and in this is a normal one, and we have got the white. Now we will open. You can look here. These are my blushers, and these are the lipsticks, the red, maroon, and all pink. These are red blusher, pink blusher, brown blusher, light pink blusher. It is looking so beautiful. And I got in 585 rupees. You can also take in Flipkart app. So I'm going to close it. It can close like this also. अब मैं इसके ऊपर का कवर चढ़ा देती हूँ. मैंने कवर चढ़ा दिया. अब मैं इसको बंद कर देती हूँ. Thank you to watch my video. Please like my channel and subscribe and share it. Thanks to watch my video. Bye bye.